Post your hope, post your prayer to God. And we want to write them down. We want to make them plain so that everyone who sees it can actually run with that particular prayer. Over there where Deacon Edwards is now standing, there will be a 4x8 board over there next week. And on that board, we'll be able to post all of our prayers. And we want to, and if you have a picture of someone that you want to post with that prayer, we're going to post that up there as well. And we'll post them up there, and they will stay there until that prayer is made manifest. Notice I didn't say answered, because it's answered, until it's made manifest. Yes. And what we want to do is to write on there the date that it was established and the date when it was done. Yes. So that everyone can see that our God is a miracle working God.
Yes, Lord. Yes.
And if you have someone who you want to stand in the gap for them, you write down their prayer request. Make sure it's plain, make sure it's on that document, and once we take them down from there, we want to put them in a book. And I want to have binder after binder after binder after binder of answered prayers. Yes. So when someone comes and said, does God answer prayer? There they are right there. You go and look through all of them, and you may have something you're praying for that's just what they received. And God is not a respecter of persons, and what He's done for one, He'll also do for you. And so we want to focus from that perspective on what God is doing. So next Sunday you will see on that wall, post your hope, post your prayer to God. So if you finish yours today, I want you to give it to me so that we can make sure we get that posted up with the first posting of things that are going to go up on that wall. Amen?
Amen.
Amen.